Hello, folks. Today we begin a series of videos uh, creating a level design using Source Engine assets. Uh, the objective is to show you how you can, it's to show and teach you how you can create some level design using simple assets for whatever projects you have in mind uh, with assets from Source Engine games. Games like Counter Strike, Half-Life, and so uh, for those for that objective, we will need some software and package. The first one, I think, one of the most important, the Net Framework 3.5. Uh, Without it, a lot of programs won't even start. So I recommend you install it beforehand. And after you have installed the Net Framework software, or I mean the package Net Framework, you can install GCFscape. You can find them here on the valvedev.info website. Here you will find not only GCFscape but also other programs we will be using like Roba, PTF Edit, the Blender Source Tools. I will speak about this uh, in the following, but do install GCFscape. Uh, let's see the crowbar that we'll be using for extracting meshes from the source engine games, and VTF edit that similar to crowbar will be extracting the textures from those games. Uh, for the 3D editor we will be using the Blender version 3.6, and for to be able to import the source engine assets meshes, uh, you need to download the source engine uh, add-on for Blender. You can find them just by uh, searching on Google Blender source tools. The first result will be the result you will be clicking, and you can download the Blender source tools in this website. If you are using the Blender version 3.6 like me, I suggest you go in here in this link called Release Articles and download the latest compatible version for Blender 3.6 in case this version 3.2.6. I don't need to do it because I already have installed in my computer. I mean, in my Blender. Oops, in my Blender. Yeah, it's already installed. Uh, the first thing we have to do now is to before we extract the assets, uh, you can extract the assets from both Black Mesa Counter-Strike Global Offensive or Counter-Strike 2. Uh, as of today, Counter-Strike Global Offensive is no longer available in this Steam like we used to find, but we can still retrieve. We can also play the game itself and retrieve its assets with no problem. You just need to go in here, in your library, assuming you have the game on your library, click on it, and to find the CSGO, to make it available for you, you can go in here on the gear symbol, go to properties, betas, and select the CSGO legacy version of CSGO. And once you select that beta, it will automatically download the files of the game. For this tutorial, I think I won't be using the assets from the Counter-Strike Global Offensive, but you can download them to be able to get more resources for your level design projects and other stuff. I will be using mainly the assets from the game Black Mesa, since the project I will be doing will be to recreate the parking lot from the chapter Surface Tension. Here are some screenshots I have taken. I will recreate the scene using the assets from the game. Of course, I will have to modify a few things to just to adapt my I don't know my ideas for this map. Maybe I add some elements, maybe I remove others. So I would really like to how can I say? I would like to inform this beforehand. So then for now, let's extract the assets from the game Black Myth. Let's append the gear symbol again, and let's browse the local files. Let's see. Let's go to this folder called BMS, and here we find the files we will be needing, that are those VP files that we will be extracting the textures and the meshes. So let's start the GCFscape app. Let's open the file and let's copy this address and let's paste here. Okay, the VPKs files that we are going to be needing are the modules G VPK. So let's open this, and here they are. Those are all the models that the Black Mesa game utilizes. Let's extract. Let's select the folder I have just created on my desktop, Source Engine Assets. Let's create another folder inside, called Black Mesa, and let's press OK. Wait for the program to extract all the files. Done. I think it's done. Now, oops, let's go here in the folder we have just created for the models, and I think everything is here. I think I will create another folder for the models and the textures and call it raw, because the raw file will be stored here, beside here. Let's now extract the textures, the raw textures. The raw textures, they come in the format VTF and VMT. And here they are. BMS texture D. Let's open this file. And here are all the textures from Black Mesa. Let's extract and extract to the folder called the raw that we have just created. With the extract done, now let's extract the assets from its raw form. Let's close this app. Now let's create another folder called extracted. Yeah, I have to go to the programs directory. I think the first thing I will be doing is to extract the textures. So let's start. Let's launch the VTF edit program. Let's open. Oops, no. What we have to do is go to this option called Tools and Convert folder. Let's select the input folder, the materials folder, and the output folder is the extracted folder. Let's select PNG and let's convert those VTF files. I don't know if I had to create. Yes, I had to create a materials named folder, but I think I will do that later once the program finish to extract the textures. Hi, I'm back. It took a while to extract the textures. Roughly And uh, now I think I will definitely extract the meshes using the crowbar tool. Uh, let's launch the crowbar, and here we have a lot of options to a lot of utilities that the tool offers to us. Uh, we are going to use this option, the compile, to extract the models. Let's select our models folder that we have extracted previously, and let's select as the output folder the folder. Before anything else, let's move the materials we have extracted. The text we have extracted to a folder called materials. Let's move everything inside this folder. Yeah, here are the folders and subfolders that contains all the textures from the game, as you can see. And now let's create a folder called models. Models. So let's select the folder called models. And here, let's let's uh, mark a few options here. Uh, let's disable few options here. Uh, yeah, I think the only option I will leave enabled will be that option called LLD Mesh SMD files. Now let's hit the compile and wait the program do its job. I think I will do another cut in the video.